Hi there, welcome. I'm Nina and I share Instant Pot recipes on my blog, painttthekitchenred.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chickpeas in the Instant Pot. Now I know it's easy to just open a can of chickpeas, but I would say it's just as easy to make a big batch of chickpeas and freeze them in small portions and use them as needed in recipes that call for canned chickpeas. I freeze the chickpeas in about 1.5 to 2 cup batches in Ziploc bags, and then I can easily use them in any recipe that calls for chickpeas. Add dried chickpeas and water to the Instant Pot. Try and get chickpeas that are not too old because they will be harder to cook. And I use a 1:2 ratio of chickpeas to water. I like to add salt to the chickpeas and water. Some people say that that makes the cooking time longer, but I haven't noticed a difference. Pressure cook the chickpeas for 55 minutes and do a full natural release. If you soak the chickpeas overnight, they'll cook much faster, like in 20 minutes. Drain the chickpeas and use them in any recipe that calls for cooked chickpeas. You can also freeze them and use them as needed. I hope I showed you how easy it is to make chickpeas from dry garbanzo beans, and so I hope you get to try this out and use them in your next recipe.